How is the book? How is the tiger in the zoo? How is the market today? How are the vegetables in your kitchen? How is the mango today? How was the classroom yesterday? How were the grapes in summer? How was the milk in the fridge? How was the elephant show? How was the cucumber taste? How will the cat be with new food? How will the apple be after ripening? How will the onions be next month? How will the furniture be in the new house? How will the street be during Diwali? How will the zoo be on holiday? How will the weather be tomorrow? How will the airport be next year? How will the garden be after rain? How were the shops in the old market? How will the banana taste after cooling? How were the tomatoes yesterday? How was the beach on your trip? How was the lion at the safari park? How was the movie last night? How is the weather in Delhi? How is the park near your home? How are apples this season? How is the room?